This is the ingredients list. It is also given in the description box down below. Let's start with the bread. Here I am taking 5 to 6 bread slices in which the edges are cut down. Apply some sugar syrup so that the cake is moist and sweet. Apply on both the sides. Then take some chocolate flavored whipping cream, or you can use some chocolate spread or the Nutella. Repeat the step with all the bread slices. In the last bread slice, apply some more sugar syrup than the earlier. Take 2 color whipping cream, that is chocolate flavored, and one is normal, that is vanilla flavored. Spread it all around and smooth the sides. This is an optional step. You can make some designs with the knife. If you want the market look, then take some double tone whipping cream in a piping bag with a star nozzle and decorate your cake. This is a chocolate and vanilla double tone icing. It is looking very good now. Cut it down. Here is our bread cake ready. Because of the double tone icing, it is looking very good. The cake is very moist, very sweet, very soft, very delicious and very tasty. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon beside it to get notified as soon as I post my new video. Bye for now, goodbye and happy cooking.